Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Kashaf Shakhani, your Islamic teacher. I hope you all are doing well. This video is for grade 7 only. So today we are going to start a new chapter that is food for the soul. First of all, what you're going to do is you are going to answer these questions. The very first question is, can you see the ear? Question 2 is it rational to deny the existence of something just because you cannot see it? Question 3, how do you feel when you do not eat food for a long time? So now you have to answer all these questions either in yes or no. Now let's just start with our chapter. As you all know, our body needs energy which the food provides. If we do not take food for some reason, we may get tired soon or we suffer from headache or weakness. Our body needs food every day in order to keep us working. So it's our responsibility to take good care of our body, health and cleanliness. A human being is not just the body, it's the body and the soul combined. Since the soul is inside us, it remains invisible just as the current in an electric wire is invisible. So Allah wants us to take care of both our body and the soul. And it's our responsibility to look after our soul too, like we do for our body. In fact, caring for our soul is more important than our body, for only a healthy soul can make our success possible in both of the worlds. Now the question is, how can be the soul kept healthy? So dear children, ibadah is the food for the soul and salah is the best form of ibadah. Acha, do you know that salah is the best way to get close to Allah? So without food, our body gets frail, and without ibadah, our soul gets weak. Like the way we eat 3 times a day to keep ourselves fit, we must also perform salah 5 times a day with full concentration and frequently to do Allah's zikr to keep our soul healthy. We must never skip a single salah. The soul is more important than the body, as our body retains its strength because of a strong soul. When our soul leaves our body, the body is buried. The soul remains alive. The people whose souls get purified with ibadah and Allah's zikr find their place in Jannah, and the people whose souls are sick and are impure, those who have done like bad deeds with sins, they are going to go to Jahannam. So what we learned in this chapter was that we keep our soul. We had learned in this chapter that caring for our soul is more important than our body. Now the question is, why does it happen that we do not offer salah with full concentration? And now there's an activity for you all. What you all are supposed to do is you all are going to tell your friends about the benefits of salah. All these questions you are supposed to do in your notebooks. Now here your chapter ends. There are 2 questions that you are supposed to do. The first question is, why is it important to take care of our soul? And the second question is, how can we keep our soul healthy? If you have read the chapter carefully, then you can easily answer these 2 questions. Now your second task is to choose these correct options to fill in the gaps. The first one is, dash is the food for the soul. A, music, B, play, C, ibadah. Which is the correct option? C is the correct option, that is ibadah. Ibadah is the food for soul. Now there are 4 more. You are going to do it by yourself. We already discussed in our online class and it's quite easy. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you all have understood. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz. Take care.